Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. The topic of today's video is an HVAC. Before I proceed, I request you to subscribe my channel, hit the bell button to get more and more such videos which are very important for HVAC executions. Right? So today's video is all about how do we install flexible ducts. The duct is on the right hand side of your frame and how should not be installed. That picture is on the left hand side of frame. So today we are going to cover this. We must be able to install and use this duct effectively. Flexible ducts, either they are non-insulated like this or these are insulated like this. The two pictures are in front of you. This is what generally people do with this flexible duct, which is not supposed to be done. You can see the kind of bends and the length of the flexible duct is very high. This is not going to work. You can see how this duct is brutally installed. The whole purpose of having flexible ducts is defeated on this picture. You can see over here and you can see over here. This is huge length of flexible ducts are installed. This is not the way, this is not the effective way of installation of flexible duct. So what I'm going to say you is a picture. This is my main duct. When I connect the flexible duct to air terminal, which is the purpose generally to connect the main duct to the air terminal, which is here, it is a diffuser over here. First, I should have a metal connection between the duct collar and the flexible duct. So it is gripped properly, installed properly. The duct length should not exceed 2 meters. And even if for 2 meters, you must have one hanger in between over here. This is the hanger. The air terminals are supported separately. You can see supported separately. When I connect these flexible ducts, again I will have metal joint for a proper gripping, for proper air tightness. So the air should not leak either from here or from here. That's the whole purpose. And this is what it has to be done. You can see a installed picture. You can see how the metal connection is done. This is the air terminal which is supported separately. And further this duct is supported with a hanger. And then the duct is connected to the main duct with a metal joint. This is what I wanted to convey. This is the right practice to install duct. For such information, I have compiled a course on good installation of HVAC system. The link of this course is in the description box. Please click the link and take full benefit of this course and implement all those ideas, all those processes in your project to get your project with right quality. Thank you very much for patient listening. Please subscribe my channel. Follow me on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn and ajazkazi.com. The links are there in front of you. Thank you.